step-by-step to send money from the United States to Spain using Wise. First, open the official Wise website or download the application on your device. Enter your email and password or use biometrics to log in to your account. On the home screen, click on the Send or Send Money button in the main menu. Select the source currency as US dollar USD for payment in the United States. Choose the destination currency as EUR for receipt in Spain. Enter the exact amount in dollars you want to send or the amount in euros the recipient should receive. Check the platform conversion fees, which use the commercial exchange rate in real time. Review the estimated delivery times and US payment options such as a CH transfer bank wire or debit card. Click the green Continue button to proceed with your transfer configuration. Select the Add a Recipient option on the screen displayed by the system. Choose if the recipient in Spain is another person, a company, or yourself. Enter the recipient full name exactly as it appears on their identity document. Enter the recipient international bank account number IBAN, which starts with the letters E and S for Spain. Review carefully all transfer data and the final amount on the system summary screen. Click the button to confirm and select your preferred US dollar payment method. Enter your American bank account details or complete the transaction via your card details. Wait a few minutes or up to 1 business day because the money will be automatically routed to the Spanish account via SEPA.